Guys, how are you all? I'm back with a new video. I'm talking about very essential part today. Our Indian worst weakness is, guys, whenever we are talking anyone, we easily judge people because the person is from the bad background, that person is from the very worst background, his background is not from the qualified, or he's not quite interesting person. So guys, we always demotivate people because this is our Indian society and this is our Indian culture. We always judge the people with their behavior, with their lifestyle, and with their fashion, and with their clothes. So we are judging easily that person. Every person have their own talent, their own skills. So we cannot easily understand that the person is a great mind person, that person is a very foolish person. So guys, here I just want to clarify only one example. Whenever you're talking any stranger, whenever you're talking neighbor, or you're talking with a cousins or your friend, anyone. So if you don't want, if you don't have a great interest, or if you are not want to make a more conversation, that person is talking to you, just you don't avoid the person, but briefly give proper response. Hi, how are you? I'm well. Yeah, that's everything is fine. I'm quite happy to talk to you. And then you just say that I have to talk, I have to go somewhere, and I will talk to you later, or something. You just say very big reason, I have to leave now. So in that way, you try to leave from the place, but openly you are showing that you're a worst person, and I think you don't have a good skill and talent. My background is a very great background, and your is a middle class background, and your family and my family is a quite different, and my level is a very different. I'm a very great attitude person. Guys, these kind of attitudes might be improve your attitude or improve your personality, but you cannot be success in your life. Because here one thing you can do it. Once you talk everyone, once you talk anyone with a respect value, so you can understand to the people mind. Every person have a great talent and skills. For example, if some person is a he's not looking very well, and he's from the very middle class background, and he doesn't have a good any skills, but everyone have a one great skills. For example, if I'm saying about idiot, okay, one word I'm saying about idiot, okay. So for example, if someone's saying the same thing idiot, but that person is a not doesn't have great skills, you know you're when you're observing to the person, you're not understanding what the person saying. So but at the same time, your mind is accepting that idiots you save in your mind. When you are going somewhere, and when you're frustrated, and when you're very at the same situation come, your mind automatically say the words, are you idiot? Okay, so these words you got it from another person. How you will getting, even though no one teach you, even though no one say you, but you just listen from that person. So try to accept these things, guys. Why I'm saying that, you can learn many things every person. This is the main and major part, and this is the very big and interesting part. If the person have a zero skill, if the person have 100% skills, you can learn everyone, any person. So by the way, at the same time, you are not interested to talk anyone, but you just keep patience and listen to the person, and after some time later, you just avoid that. So might be you thinking that that is a very boring conversation, I don't want to talk, but backside, your mind is listening something, and your mind is saving something. So which is an